Imagine understanding every word in your prayer. Imagine understanding the Quran in its original Arabic and feeling closer to Allah. It's something we all want, but you've never had time. The grammar's too difficult. Things get busy. You don't know where to start. It doesn't have to be so daunting. Half of the Quranic words are just 125 words that occur 40,000 times in different grammatical forms. And Understand Quran Academy can help you learn these words and more in only 9 hours. Understand Quran Academy was developed by years of research and run by certified Quran teachers. Our web-based courses are interactive, easy to follow, and flexible, so you can study anytime and anywhere. In just 2 years, we've helped tens of thousands of Muslims learn over half of the Quranic words, along with basic Arabic grammar using TPI, a modern, powerful, interactive, and effective approach. Understand Quran Academy offers additional courses, a follow-up course for increasing your vocabulary to 70% of the Quran, a cover-to-cover course for the entire Quranic vocabulary, and a Quran reading with Tajweed course. At Understand Quran Academy, we want you and the Muslim Ummah's access to learning the Quran to be as affordable as possible. You not only receive the opportunity to change your prayer for the better, you also support those who wish to learn but cannot afford to. Understand Quran provides a free version to students without the means to pay for the lessons. Insha'Allah, with our courses, you will increase your focus and humility, and your prayers will never be the same again. Sign up today at www.understandquran.com